And be awesome tonight. Not only entertaining, gentlemen, victory and defeat. All right, let's kick ass in front of all our friends and family out there. Represent ourselves honoring.
Hey, shout, I know you be hearing this and that from here and there, but please trust and believe, little mama. I see you gon' ride for me, so I'ma die for you. Is you with me?
I got your back,
But let's get it.
So
when it's all good, so when it's all
but I promise I will never let you go.
Now what you call that?
I got your back.
You got my back, right? Long as I know you got my back,
Keep my
right?
swagger, keep it looking good for you, keep it looking hood for you. And shawty, if you don't know, I got your back.
You got my back, right?
I got
Long as you got my back. Hey, it's whatever, shawty, you ain't gotta ask. Yes, Valentino blouses on my house is cash. Check, you can get it, you deserve it. Flawless diamonds, Louis purses. My mission's to purchase earth for her, present the gift without the curse. Her pleasure is my purpose, pleasure to be at your service. We front row at fashion shows as well as Sunday morning service. For better days or for worse, if I'm paid or I'm hurting in my pocket, she still got a nigga back, no that's for sure. No matter what may occur in life, every day with her is like a plus. I'ma love her till she be like that's enough. Pop a bottle, get a couple wine glasses, fill them up and lift them up. Let us toast to the future, here's to us, no here's to her.
They wonder how we do what we do. Panamera Porsches, me and you. Step to your side like glue. Be by your side, whatever you're going through. When we're high,
But when it's all
when we're
good,
low,
so when it's all
but I
bad,
promise I will never let you go.
now what you call
Said
that?
I got your back.
You got my back, right? Long as I know you got my back,
Keep my
right?
swagger, keep it looking good for you, keep it looking hood for you. And shawty, if you don't know, I got your back.
You got my back, right? All the world know that you got my back. Hey, this is for the women who man called a sentence, who gon' be there for a minute, but they didn't keep their distance. They stayed home, waiting on the phone, and on visit day, show up looking good, smelling better, playing kissy face. Just wanna let you know that we appreciate everything you do for us on the day-to-day. And I know we don't show you all the time, but we lucky that you ours. No bouquet of flowers could ever show how much we know we need you. We do all this in our power just to please you.